In this tutorial, I'll show you how to improve Figma's performance and reduce lag so you can work more smoothly on large design projects. Start by using the Figma desktop app instead of the browser version whenever possible. The desktop app is optimized for performance and typically runs more smoothly than a browser with multiple tabs open. Next, close any unnecessary tabs, applications, or programs running in the background. This frees up memory and processing power for Figma. If your file contains many high-resolution images, consider compressing or resizing them before importing. Large image files can significantly slow down your workspace. You should also organize large projects into multiple pages instead of keeping everything on a single canvas. Splitting content across pages makes files easier for Figma to load and manage. Another helpful tip is to remove unused components, styles, and layers. Cleaning up unnecessary elements reduces file complexity and improves responsiveness. If you're working with large prototypes, try closing prototype previews when they're not needed. Running previews can consume additional system resources. Make sure your internet connection is stable as well. Since Figma is cloud-based, slow or unstable internet can affect loading times and collaboration performance. Keeping your browser or Figma desktop app updated is also important, as performance improvements are often included in new releases. Finally, restart Figma occasionally if you've been working in a large file for an extended period. This can clear temporary memory usage and improve overall speed. And that's it. You've successfully learned several ways to make Figma run faster and reduce lag while designing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.